Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 12th day is 1. Advantage point. A superior or higher position, specifically a place affording a good view or prospect is equal to vantage point at vantage. Viewpoint. B. To survey a valley from the vantage point of a high hill. 2. Stitch up. A. An act of manipulating a situation in order to reach a desired outcome, ESP. By dishonorable or dishonest means, such as abuse of a position of power or influence. He was stitched up by outsiders and ousted as chairman. B. A conspiracy or plot, ESP. To incriminate a person on false evidence. Compare, frame up now. There were too many stories, too many proven cases, of wrongful arrest and stitch-ups. C. To use a needle and thread to close a large cut or wound. The doctor stitched up his wound. 3. Chock-a-block. A. Extremely full, crowded, jam. If a place is chock-a-block, it is very full of people or things. The streets were chock-a-block with cars docked. Full. 4. Mirific. A. That works wonders, exciting wonder or astonishment, marvelous. Also, humorously, in weekend sense. C. In a crowded manner, books piled chock-a-block on the narrow shelf. They have accomplished something mirific. The painting's reputation was so mirific, it attracted a record number of visitors to the museum. Yolanda's first glance at the mountains gave her a feeling so mirific, it nearly took her breath away. 5. Sardanapalian. A. Excessively luxurious. The luxuriously sensual nature or way of life attributed to the Assyrian king Sardanapalus. Sardanapalus, a decadent figure who spends his life in self-indulgence and dies. The character of Sardanapalus has been treated more gently by a modern poet. 6. Anamnesis. A. The recalling of things past, recollection, reminiscence. A preliminary case history of a medical or psychiatric patient. During a period of intense anamnesis, the patient recalled several nearly forgotten memories of his childhood that he hadn't thought about in years. 7. Comptation. The action of delaying or putting off doing something. Delay, tardiness. Most moviegoers look angry at the contation of moviegoers because it disrupts the film. Do not get into a habit of contation if you do not like people staring at you when walking into a place. 8. Imponderable. A thing that cannot be precisely determined or measured. A factor that is difficult or impossible to estimate or assess. There are too many imponderables for an overall prediction. B. Not ponderable, that cannot be precisely determined, measured, or evaluated. Difficult or impossible to estimate or assess. Some can be answered while others remain the imponderable stuff of philosophy. 9. Frolic. A. To amuse oneself, make merry. Play or move about in a cheerful and lively way. Edward frolicked on the sand. A playful and lively movement or activity. His injuries were inflicted by the frolics of a young filly. Cheerful, merry, or playful. 8,000 forms of frolic life. 10. Nebulous, hazy, vague, indistinct. That's the reassurance I want, not this nebulous approach. It expanded into a nebulous circle of shifting light. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.